and welcome back. So now that we've understood our document, we now want to start creating the codes. To create a code, you click on the Create tab, you click on Node, then you name your codes. Now we're just going to be creating 3 codes for now, just to see how to create codes. Okay, so the first code I'm going to be creating is views of the pregnant women on TBAs. So after giving my code the title, it's asking for a description. Now this part of description is optional. You can choose to put a description or not. The reason we put descriptions is to help us when generating our code books, to make the work of reporting easier. So for now, we're not going to put any description yet. We're just going to say OK. So as you can see, my code has been created and it's opening here as a blank code, meaning I haven't assigned it to any text yet. If I want to see the list of codes that I have created, I will come here under my navigation view and click on Notes, and then the codes appear in my list view. As you can see, the only code we have now is views of the pregnant women on TBAs. So in our next video, we are going to be creating the subcodes and assigning them to text.